We'll just do a little tour of a couple of bits of the Titan maintenance platform. And so I will take over the sharing of the screen. And what we got on screen at the moment is one of the kind of demo dashboards that we use within Titan maintenance. So we embed Microsoft Power BI in the platform, and we're able to report on absolutely anything that is within the platform, anything that we kind of cover. Again, been doing this for 15 years, and there's no two customers that have got the same metrics, the same KPIs. Everyone wants something different. So we start with something, that's general to most customers and seems to foot the bill. And then when they've been using the platform for a while, or things they know up front they are interested in, then we can start to customize those and make them specific to the business so that everything is at your fingertips for when you need it. A couple of those things that I mentioned during the presentation were around kind of the asset overview. One of the most popular visualizations is on this slide here, where you have that kind of asset spend and maintenance. So once you start to incorporate the asset data into the platform along with the maintenance spend, you can really start to see how much you're spending on each individual asset, each individual piece of equipment, manufacturers and models, and then cut and slice that however makes sense to you. So you can start to kind of sweat those assets, make sure that you're getting the maximum amount of life out of them without spending too much money on them, and making sure that you're getting the right kind of data from them. So we can absolutely report on anything that's in the platform. So we report on reactive work orders, including the root cause and remedy of those. Create some dashboards and charts on how the scheduled maintenance or the preventive maintenance with the different kind of categories, whether it's compliance works or legal inspections, is all happening, and making sure that that's kind of all on track. All the way through to kind of contractor league tables, which are becoming increasingly popular. And depending on what you are focusing on with your contractors, whether you're focusing on things like the first time fix, or making sure they complete their reactive work orders in SLA, or making sure that their preventative maintenance is absolutely nailed. You can create these kind of dashboards to give you at a glance exactly where they rank amongst their peers. And this is the kind of thing that you can also share with the contractors and vendors themselves, who will have a log into the platform to give you all of that real-time kind of data that's there, so that they can see where they rank amongst their peers, and anonymize it also, that they only see their name, none of the others, but they can see that they're fifth or something like that, or maybe first, and kind of see how they go there. So there's a lot that you can kind of track there as well, including all things like on uptime. So this is a really big one that we do with EV charging in particular, as that's such a hot topic at the moment. Because with Titan maintenance, all of the things that occur within the platform are at that very lowest level. So for EV chargers, or for assets that are out of action, that very lowest incident is where we record that downtime. We will never roll up or aggregate that data, allowing you to kind of use that same data to cut and slice it however it is fit for you, whether that's on a per asset basis, a per site basis, manufacturers and models, different kind of business units. There's a huge amount that you can cut and do with the platform.